Forcast down here. Down here where I'm at in Florida. So here's the forecast. And turn off the brightening thing so you can see it. No tropical storm, Sara anywhere. Well, she was right there in the middle, right there. Or Honduras and Jamaica, I think. Yeah, right there. And then she went over that area where Honduras was, and one person died there. That's about right now, but I pray for everyone that went through there. I think we're just getting, rain and all that for a couple weeks. But she's broken up, so she's not coming to her here. So look at all the rain right there. You see wherever the rain is. She's not in a real storm anymore. She's gone now. So it's broken up. It's gone now. So the storm is not even a storm anymore. So I think season is almost over with the storms now. There's supposed to be two more, but I don't think we're gonna get to those last two. Usually do get to those last two, but I don't think we will. We won't get to those last two down here. So there we go. And there's the temperature right there. So, and there's the winds. So I think seasons is over with tropical storms and hurricanes. I think this was the last one of this year. Yep. And yeah, right there where she's in, it was right there, right where that small island where Honduras above them. That's where she was at. And I guess she broke up and in the ocean and she's gone there. So I think we're just getting the rain, just the hover rain from it, whatever else it is with it. So, anyways, when it gets to the right there, when it gets to this. But anyways, take care, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next one. And that's your update. That's your update forecast here down here in Florida. Bye, everyone. Good night, everyone. Have a wonderful day and have a wonderful night. Bye, everyone. Bye. And morning too. Bye. Everyone.